Hello, everybody. Hi, welcome. This is Andrew Duncan with Cloud Adoption Solutions coming at you with another Cloud Adoption Solutions chat. Today, we're going to be talking about some of the features that are coming out in this summer 2020 release with Salesforce. Some really exciting stuff. In order to go over some of these more technical aspects, today I have Cory, who is a Cloud Adoption Solutions administrator and developer. Say hi, Cory. How you doing?
Hi, everyone. How's it going out there?
Great. Thank you so much for being on today. Now, today we're going to be talking about flow loop variables and how they're being automatically created in Salesforce. And Cory has a nice little demonstration prepared for us and some information about that. So, Cory, tell us a little bit about this new release.
Sure. So one of the cool new features in the summer release is Salesforce added an automatic loop variable creation. So previously in Flow, you would have to create that variable manually, and it just made the process more confusing and just kind of unnecessary. It just felt unnecessary. So along with some other things that they added to Flow that maybe we'll make another video on those, I made this flow. I have a preview org here of the summer 2020 release. And I just made this little flow that basically it will get opportunity records. And if the amount's over 10,000, it will assign that to a new owner. And to do that, I use this loop to loop through the opportunities. And this is where Salesforce really made this a lot nicer, is by automatically creating this loop variable. So in the previous versions of Flow, you would have a spot right here for the loop variable.
Right.
And now it's making that automatically. And it kind of explains that here, how you can access the loop element with the API name.
Nice.
So then in the actual loop, we can see where this new loop variable is getting created here. So this is the way I'm accessing the amount of the opportunity through this. The loop underscore ops is the API name of that flow loop variable. Great. And then the amount is the field I'm accessing. So here I'm just checking to see if it's greater than 10,000. And then I'm assigning it a new owner. So again, accessing that loop variable that Salesforce created for us, assigning the value to a different ID of a different owner, and then adding it to a collection variable here, which will then, once the loop's finished, will update those ops.
Fantastic.
And to show you how that works, I have a test opportunity over here.
Great.
And I'm the current owner. And if I change the amount to something over 10,000, save it, the opportunity owner automatically got changed to the CAS admin here, which is that was that ID.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So just something that's a little easier to understand for sure, because now you don't have this other variable that gets confusing. And with these loops, you would have like multiple variables, and then it's pretty easy to get lost, and it's hard to remember which one you're using. So Salesforce is automatically doing that now for us, and we can access those right through that API name, and then access the fields through there, and any of the other fields on the op are accessible as well.
Right, that's fantastic. And do you envision this being something that Salesforce is pushing for to continuously make it easier for newer admins and for people to, learn these different tricks and these new features that are just going to make their lives a bit easier, make the work a bit faster?
Yeah, definitely. I think they really kept like Flow users in mind when they made this update, and especially new Flow users, because like I was saying, it does get pretty confusing to have all those variables. So now with that one being automatically created, you don't really have to worry about that. And yeah, just easier overall.
Yeah, it's fantastic. And I think, when we're applying this to some of the, working projects that we have now, when we're saving time, we're saving our clients money. So I think that this is a really exciting feature and the first on a long list of features that are coming out with this summer 2020 release. I know there's some really exciting stuff in there, which we'll continue to talk about later. So, Cory, I really appreciate your time today. And thank you for, showing us what's going on with this new feature. And I appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you for bringing me on and letting me show you what some of the new features are.
Yeah, thank you. And as always, if you guys want to contact us, you can contact me at andrew@cloudadoption.solutions. And you can go on our website, which the link will be in the bio. Thank you so much. Have a great day.